Hey guys, it's Marlene and Monique and welcome back to the channel. Today I have some cleaning motivation for you by way of car wash. It is time for me to get my car cleaned out. We've been in and out of it this week a lot more than usual, so I have a lot of things going on in here, a lot of clutter and a lot of spills and messes in here, so I have to get that all cleaned up. If you are new to my channel, thank you for watching. Please consider subscribing before you leave. I would love to have you. And if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for continuing to support and watch these videos. Not much talking throughout this video, guys. This is self-explanatory. It's just a car wash. But I did start off at the car wash. It was a little busy, so I did what I needed to do, and then I finished cleaning the rest of it at home and adding my tire shine and everything at home. So again, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next video.
So, no, no, so, no, no, so, no, no. It's crazy, you blow my mind. So, no, no, so, no, no.
We've been in the car a lot this week, guys, just after school activities, so we've kind of been eating on the run. But this is why I don't allow eating in my car. So usually we don't eat in the car, but this week this is what happens. This is why it's allowed.
It's crazy, you blow my mind.